So there are 4 Heli forklifts on site here at Godfrey Hirst. So we do monthly checks, which involves a general check over. We blow them out. This can be quite a dusty environment here, and then we just service them by the 500-hour intervals. They don't require a lot. The lithium-ion batteries and sealed motors. One of the advantages of regen braking is less maintenance on brakes. Okay, so regenerative braking involves the motor's kind of brakes itself, if you like. It's really a handy tool as far as an operator is concerned, but it's also good for the machine. It helps to put current back into the battery as well, which is free energy basically. Yeah, so if we get a particularly difficult fault, we have a sort of a chain of communication through our operations manager, and he has direct comms with Heli forklifts. If a fault occurs on this model, we're able to, as technicians, get inside the dash and look at what's inside the controller basically, read error codes, look at live data. Depending on the nature of the fault, sometimes it can be fixed relatively quickly.